Today, guys, we will speak about how we will clean back of the tire for this GTR full carbon. We need to make a detailing. Also for the cliparat, we need to make a polish for the wheel. Also the plastic up of the tire and back of it we need to clean. So first we need to remove. First we need to remove, guys, for the we need to remove for the totally finished. Yeah, guys, as the camera showing to you, guys, we need to clean here for everything. We need to clean up, down. We need to remove for the rest. We need to put some grease here. Also, we need to clean this area. Yeah, this area, guys. We need to clean this area. So much dirty here, there, everywhere, guys. And also for the back of the tire, we need to clean, guys. We'll start to clean and make a polishing for each part here. We'll start now part by part. For the back of the wheel, we need to use the degreaser. We use the degreaser from Meguiers, and don't forget to put the mask, guys. So we'll put a little bit. I am going to show you how this one will be like this. Yeah. Clean this one like this by the degreaser. Don't forget to put a mask. The mask is important, guys. Like this. This one. The movement of the brush is like a circle, like this. Totally finished, guys. So also we need to clean this area a little bit. It's good. The tire will be more shine, more clean, and also put in. We need to put here also. Here also. So now totally finished, guys. You can see for the dirty. Yeah, now I will send it to make a brusher of the water for all. So we for this one, this area. So guys, now we need to clean this one. Please don't forget to put the mask when you are using the degreaser chemical. I will apply for the chemical oil, and we will clean. Look, it's so much dirty. We need to clean it. Yeah. And also we need to clean this area. The movement will be like a circle. Yeah, guys, we need to make for each part. Please don't forget to put mask. Look here, here. We need to clean it. After that, we'll push water. This one we'll use for guys, now we need to clean all of it. This one, the sticker from inside, we'll put sticker remover. And after that, we'll use squeegee slowly, no need. Like this. Like this, guys. Slowly until we remove it all. The dressing by tornado will be more fast to make it black for all the plastic. Yeah, guys, now finished to put and also we need to clean for this area a little bit. Now we'll leave it for 10 minutes for the dressing, guys. After that we'll clean this one. Yeah, guys, we need to make for this one. Just a little bit for polishing. Finished. You can see the result, guys. We are preparing this car for the custom show. We remove and make a polish and cleaning that sticker was here before, and also here, guys, we clean all the plastic, make a little bit of polish, make a shining for the plastic. Now the GTR full carbon. Tomorrow we will deliver it to the custom show, guys. Is an amazing, and we are hoping to get this one the champion of the custom show Emirates. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to make like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you for the next problems.